Hey, hey, you must have heard it through the grapevine. The holy man coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. And I've been waiting for a long time. I think I just saw the moon, saw the moon. Now everybody fast and pray. Time to wash your sins away. You wanna celebrate with us, then you gotta praise his name. Hey, it's Ramadan again. Hey, and tonight iftar inside my crib. Marhaban, bring the sambusas in. We generous, you can bring a friend. Hey, from my people all around the globe, it's time to purify your soul. It don't matter if you're rich or no, we doing it for the one Lord. Marhaban, marhaban, Ramadan, marhaban, marhaban, Ramadan, marhaban, marhaban, Ramadan, marhaban, marhaban.
Comment ça va, les musulmans? C'est Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan. Je n'ai pas le temps pour ton haram. Excusez-moi, I gotta go.